Communication circuits can sometimes be damaged by natural or man-made disasters such as storms, hurricanes, earthquakes, terrorist attacks, and even construction accidents. When this happens, telecommunications carriers are often overloaded with requests to repair or install new circuits.
Branch Police, I'm Allie.
Imagine if this dispatch center's data and voice communications lines were damaged. Calls for help from the public couldn't get through, and the police wouldn't be able to transmit and receive data or make outbound calls for assistance. And if this dispatch center was only one of many facilities that were affected by the outage, how can the center assure that the telecommunications carriers will prioritize their request for service? Fortunately, this dispatch center is enrolled in the Telecommunications Service Priority, or TSP program. TSP provides public safety organizations, government officials, and critical infrastructures such as hospitals and utility companies with means to legally obligate the carrier to prioritize their service requests over others. If you're watching this video, hopefully your organization is enrolled in TSP2. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of requesting TSP for priority installation and repair of communication circuits. TSP subscribers have two service request options. The first option is provisioning, which provides priority installation of new circuits when a vendor's service time frame does not meet the organization's needs. The second type of request is for restoration, which provides priority repair to damaged circuits. For provisioning request, first contact your service provider. If their installation timeframes do not meet your organization's needs, then you can request TSP assistance. To request TSP provisioning, simply call the DHS Priority Telecommunications Service Center at 866-627-2255. You should know that not all requests qualify for priority provisioning. For example, TSP cannot be used if an organization did not plan ahead and made a last-minute request for circuit installation. The Office of Emergency Communications will review your installation request to ensure it meets the qualifications for priority provisioning. If the request is approved, OEC will provide you with a TSP code for each circuit or service. You'll then provide the TSP code to your service provider. For repair, please follow your normal outage procedures, reminding the carrier that your circuits have TSP restoration priority. The circuits will receive priority restoration whenever there's an outage. The outage doesn't have to be related to a disaster or other large event. However, you must have provided your TSP codes to your service provider before the outage occurred. For more information on TSP or to enroll in the program, please visit dhs.gov/TSP or call the DHS Priority Telecommunications Service Center at 866-627-2255.